She lied, she lied, she lied, she lied over and over and over again.
Criminal defense attorney Mike Gottlieb.
Criminal defense attorney Michael Gottlieb.
Michael Gottlieb.
But there still has to be more. And obviously the authorities don't think they have enough evidence, even circumstantially, to prosecute him for the murder of Holloway. And when you add that with the additional crimes of trying to cover it up, which is arguably conscious evidence of guilt, it really truly makes it a very difficult case to defend. But I think the issue really is the response of the universities was very laissez-faire.
Let's hear about DNA. Let's hear about fingerprints. Let's hear about proof. I haven't heard anything other than allegations.
Delay is a friend to a defendant. So if they want to use his medical conditions, his advanced age, you can clearly see he has trouble walking.
And we've all seen the YouTube videos of the victims where they're saying they want their anonymity. You have to imagine that there's a component to this case where the prosecution spoken to the victims, and perhaps the victims have said, look, we'd prefer a life sentence over a death sentence. But let's talk about the evidence. The evidence is that the 911 operator told him to stand down. He stood down. And the young lady that's on the phone with Trayvon Martin says Martin turned around and confronted Zimmerman and said, what are you following me for?
This is a very delicate balancing between the public's right to know what is going on with a trial. And trials should be public because we need to see that justice is being handed out appropriately and fairly. But I suspect the judge is going to allow the cameras in the courtroom, but perhaps limit what they can show.
Okay, Mike Gottlieb, appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining us.